Conflict is as long as you think there is something other than you. Conflict has no life, life has no conflict. As long as you think there is something other than you exists, the fear or conflict continues to be alive in your system. All you need is tuning your system, tuning your body and mind to understand that there is nothing other than you exists, or there is nothing other than you exists. Please understand. Either there is nothing like you other than the other exists, or nothing like other exists other than you. Very powerful process in Hatha Yoga called Achapa Japa, means chanting beyond chanting. Even the chanting word is not exact translation of japa. Japa means more like a flowing. Flowing without flowing. Chanting without chanting. Ajapa japa. Constantly, knowingly or unknowingly, consciously or unconsciously, your being goes on chanting this Hamsa mantra. When you inhale, the tone hum. When you exhale, sam. When we verbalize, even this hum and sam gets shape. But if you don't verbalize and just observe, the subtle version of hum and sam will be happening. It will not be complete defined hum or defined sam. It's like a hum, sam. See, physically when you see, you have a defined body. When you close your eyes and try to visualize you will have an undefined version of you. It will not be a defined version. An undefined kind of a line drawing, caricature, cartoon, line sketch. Same way, when you sit and listen to this ajapa japa, flowing of non-flowing or beyond flowing, chanting of beyond chanting, if you observe that happening, you will see the line drawing or caricatured version, cartoon version of this Hamsa mantra will be happening. Please do not add that hum or some sound with will. No. I am not asking you to add with will. When you add with will, it becomes japa, means chanting. No. I am not teaching you that. I am telling you to sit and try to find out the mantra. In the beginning, it will be the dull version or undefined version of hum and sam. Slowly, slowly, either hum or sam will disappear. Understand? Hum means the idea, me, I. Sam means the whole. You can call it cosmos, God, or anything other than you. Anything beyond you. When the strong defining difference between this hum and sum disappears, you become Paramahamsa. Understand? Very powerful technique for practicing conflict-free life. It's a very powerful way of balancing or elevating your internal consciousness beyond the conflict. The teaching which I was sharing yesterday, life has no conflict, conflict has no life, will become reality in you when your Hamsa mantra gets in tune. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bangalore 562109. Contact 09742203311. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.